Students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and well. So these times are very hard times. The situation of pandemic is still going on. I know you guys are right now bored, sitting at home, but what else can be done? So better be at home, stay safe. You have a lot of plenty of time these days. Okay, you just spend it in your studies or some type of physical activities you do at home. Okay, so let's get started. Yesterday what we were doing, we were discussing the question answers. We were discussing the question answers of chapter number 1. So I think 11 question we have discussed. Last question was, who among these are not external users of accounting information? So first one is lender. Lender is an external user because he's outside the business. Government is also outside the business. Employees, yeah, the employees are internal users. Okay, and last one is public is also external. So the right answer is employees. Let's discuss the question number 12. So which of the following is not subfield of accounting? Subfield of accounting means which is not a part of accounting system. So financial accounting, yeah, it is a part of accounting, and we are studying right now financial accounting only. Cost accounting, it is also part of accounting. Management accounting, it is also part of accounting. Bookkeeping, no, it is not a part of accounting, yeah, or it is not a subfield of accounting. Through bookkeeping, in bookkeeping we just write the transaction, and on the basis of that transaction we do our accounting. Okay, so bookkeeping is not an subfield of accounting. There are only 5 subfields of accounting: financial, cost, management, given, and after that social responsibility, after that tax accounting. Only these are the 5 types of accounting. So next, question number 13. What is the traditional function of accounting? Traditional function means what was the old function of accounting? Means how people on back there, means 100 or 200 years, or somewhat peoples from the past, how they used to do the accounting. So basically they were not doing much accounting. What they do, they just write down the transaction, whatever it was taking place, means whatever was coming, whatever was going out, they just used to write that. Okay, they were not following such an advanced method of accounting like summarizing, classifying, or what they were doing, they were just recording the transactions as financial transactions. Financial transaction means which are just in terms of money, whose valuation can be done in terms of money. Okay, question number 14. Bookkeeping begins where accounting ends. True or false? Bookkeeping begins where accounting ends. No, false. Because bookkeeping where ends, there accounting begins. Okay, this statement is false. What is the correct statement? Correct statement is where bookkeeping ends, there accounting stops, because accounting depends on bookkeeping. To get that transaction, what do? We go to bookkeeping section and we see what are the transactions that have taken place, and through that information we do our accounting work. Question number 15. Accounting is the language of business. True or false? Yeah, it is true. Accounting is the language of business. Okay, now your chapter is completed. Chapter number 1 question and answer. What you do, you just write it down in your copy. Okay, if anyone is facing any sort of problem, they can consult me directly or in group. Okay, so student, thank you. Be safe, be at home. Okay, indulge yourself in some sort of work or activity so that you can pass this pandemic situation easily. Thank you, class.